This is how we get hot water.
Well, I don't. Well, it's leaking, so this will show that it's not holding.
We don't care about that.
Okay. That check valve.
That shut-off valve is not hooked, but that's nothing. No.
We're talking about this.
The shut-off
The
for the
chain.
steam. You see the chain valve?
Over here on top of your
Look at
head.
me. Look at me.
Okay.
That valve,
If steam is coming out of there, then yes.
Very little. I just put up 2 pounds of pressure.
We just gave them some heat.
And a little bit of residue of steam came out. Yeah, I don't think it's holding.
Nothing much. Nothing.
But it could be seep. All right, right now it's open in a closed boiler. It might build. Store.
This is an open boiler.
I'm saying right now, if we put the coil in, you might get some steam pressure.
That's okay. Then it build up. It'll eventually send up to the height.
Oh, so that's what you're asking? If you're gonna get steam with this not holding, that's what you're asking?
They told us, don't touch nothing because this is not holding. If we use this boiler,
He said the
the
steam's going to come out
steam
of
will
here.
come in.
Mira, mira, mira. Bueno,